With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, welcome. Today's given question is hemoglobin has greater affinity for which of the given molecules? O2, CO, CO2 or O3. Hemoglobin has greater affinity for which of the among given molecules? Oxygen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide or ozone. So what does this term hemoglobin means? Hemoglobin is actually derived from two terms, heme and globin. Heme means iron, related to iron, and globin is a protein. So basically hemoglobin is a compound which is nearly spherical, actually a tetrameric compound, where the centralized element present is iron. Iron has coordination number 6. So with its four hand, it binds with nitrogen of the 4 porphyrin ring, of the given 4 porphyrin ring, like this. Here also it gets 4 porphyrin ring. It has alternate double bond and triple bond, and this is the plane of the porphyrin ring, and it has 2 more hands which is just above this plane, perpendicular to this plane, and another one is below this plane, below this plane. So basically, if this is the plane of the porphyrin ring, then there are 2 perpendicular more hand. One is this one, another one is down to this one. So the more the smaller group, the more it fits with it. So these two hand basically fits with the globin protein. So basically this one is the globin protein. If this is the globin protein, and in the globin protein there are histidine present, it binds with the histidine group, and when oxygen, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide comes, one of these hands get free and it binds with those compounds. So the most affinity group, that means hemoglobin is most affinity towards which one? Towards carbon monoxide. Why it has more affinity towards carbon monoxide? Because carbon monoxide binds with it perpendicularly. If the plane is like this, if this is the plane of the porphyrin group, then carbon monoxide comes and binds like this with the iron group, and here another group is present, it is bind with the heme group, like this it gets bind. So the steric hindrance is minimum. Steric hindrance is minimum in case of carbon monoxide. So it has much higher affinity towards carbon monoxide. Next, it has affinity towards oxygen, O2. O2 is not perfectly perpendicular, but if the plane is like this, if this is the plane, then O2 is not perfectly perpendicular, it is slightly bent like this. So it is not that much affinity, like it does not experience that much affinity like carbon monoxide, but it has some affinity towards the hemoglobin. And next comes the carbon dioxide. It is a bulky group, so it does not have much affinity, and the likely O3, both of them are bulky group, bulky or heavy group, and both experiences some steric hindrance, so they have minimum affinity. So the maximum affinity is experienced by option number B, carbon monoxide, as it coordinates perpendicular with the plane of this porphyrin ring. So the correct answer is option number B. Rest other options are wrong. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.